and by everyone I mean all 10 of you and my mother and my father. Today I'm going to start a series called 20-Minute Makes. I'm going to try to show that anybody can get started in leathercraft. So today I'm going to try and make a leather wallet out of stuff that you have lying at home or that you could probably pick up from the dollar store. And I'm going to do it in 20 minutes or less. I know you're wondering, how can I trust that you're going to do it in 20 minutes or less and not use some fancy video editing CGI magic? Well, that's because I don't know fancy video editing CGI magic. And also, I've hired that dude over there. That's Kylo Ben. Copyright reasons, Disney. He's gonna make sure that I ain't a liar. So this is incredibly legit. Okay, so I'm gonna go gather the tools, and this does not count against the 20 minutes because I make the rules and they're subject to change at any given time. So I will see you in a second. Be right back. Alright guys, I think I've gathered everything that I need to make this wallet. So some basic things like the ruler, barbecue lighter as well, bread. They belong to my 4-year-old. Let's just say that these holes did not come with the pants. We're gonna say goodbye to these today as well. Sandpaper, a fork, some craft glue, I've got a hammer, I've got an X-Acto knife, and I've got some binder clips. I've got this. So I actually use this for leathercraft, as you can see. It's pretty beat up, but it's essentially just a cutting board. I have a pair of scissors here. I have some moisturizing lotion. I have a coin. We have these sewing needles that I got from the dollar store. A nail. Okay, and the last thing is I have this piece of leather here. If you don't have leather, you can probably pick it up at your local craft store, or you can buy it from our Etsy shop, and the link for that is in the description below. I also have this pattern, which is also free to download. A link for it will be in the description below. Why don't we go and let's get started. And ready, get set, go. Woo! got 8 minutes to hand stitch this. Okay, here we go. We're at 3 minutes and 30 seconds right now. All right, let's do our back stitches. Let's just tighten this up. We're at 1 minute and 30 seconds here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's get the sandpaper out. So I got the jeans cut up here, and we got 45 seconds to burnish. Right here. You can just use water too here. Okay. "17 seconds here. Woo! And 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1. And we're done. As you can see, this is what the timer says. We did it. We made a wallet with stuff out of our house in 20 minutes or less. So you know what? I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. But you made it with your own 2 hands, and these stitches, as ugly as some of these are at the back, especially at the back, they're gonna last you a really long time. So you made it with your own 2 hands, and that is awesome. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll be doing a lot more 20-minute makes in the future, so if there's something you want to challenge me to make in 20 minutes or less, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed watching this, please like and subscribe. It really goes a long way for our small business. All my best, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.